You have my needle here.
Blue bands, blue bands, blue bands.
You have my needle here, and we're gonna put on the grips and the throttle right now. Start off by taking out the battery and then taking everything apart to put the throttle on. With the plug and play throttle on, I think what we're gonna have to do first is unloosen the controller harness bolts. The first bolt off on this side, and then we're doing the other side. The top two, now we're doing the bottom two. We just did the bottom two, and then we took off our controller cover, and now our controller wires are pretty much exposed. There's a zip tie right there, so we just step that and then get the new wire and try to just funnel it through.
So this is.
We have our old throttle cord off, and we should be able to slide off the throttle now. Alright, so we have it through, and then we're just taking off our throttle now. So this is the stock throttle, and we just took it off, and now we have no throttle on. Our old throttle off, and then we decided to move the bike outside. But yeah, we're outside, and we have all the wires exposed, and then we're gonna keep trying to figure out how to do this. We have the surround throttle unboxed, and we're gonna try to put it on now. We're now putting on the surround throttle with the connector, and we're gonna try to figure out how to route everything through. Tying the surround throttle, and then we're gonna tighten this. Alright, so we just tightened everything. The throttle feels so nice and snappy, and we're gonna try to route everything to go back to that connector. We just cut off the grip, and then we're just gonna pull it off like that. There's a bunch of extra glue left, so we're just gonna scratch all that off. Everything, and then we're gonna hook it up to my battery to see if the throttle actually works. We have the throttle on and the battery plugged in, and yeah, and it's more responsive.
Perfect. All right.
Yeah, so yeah, it's really good. I would recommend it, but we're gonna keep putting everything on so you guys can see the process.
No, you gotta watch
The first zip tie, and we're gonna try to route it and do cable management now. Cable management. We're continuing to route all the cables and stuff. Cable management is all wired, and then we put it through the bottom of that plate, and then we're zip tying more. We're not just gonna leave all the zip ties like this, so we're just snipping them all through there too. Zip tied all the cable management and stuff, and then we just put the cover back on with the Bluetooth dongle and the battery connector, everything sticking out, and then we're just gonna put the grips on and then see if we have to do anything else. Using hairspray to put the grip on.
I'll be a butterfly sweater squash.
The first grip on, and if I'm being completely honest, these feel way better than my old ones. We're doing the throttle side. Alright, so we just got this one on. And
Kind of, yeah.
We just got this one on for both sides. And then we're zip tying my plate with all the cable management under. We're zip tying the stuff. We have all of our cable management down there. We have our throttle on with our key and stuff.
New
And then
throttle,
all that,
new throttle,
and
new
then-
grips.
Yeah, I really recommend this throttle. It's like $90, but I'll leave it in the description below. Bye. We put on these Solero Supply stickers on both sides, and I'm gonna give you a final edit and show of the bike.
I don't know why they hate on me. They can smell the legacy.